Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy blog. My name is Ray, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Shark Matrix Self-Empty Robot Vacuum, which is available at Best Buy. This is a simple, easy-to-use robot vac that really does it all. In its box, you'll find the vacuum itself. It's the Matrix RV2300. It's auto-emptying charging dock, a side brush, and a filter. The bottom of the vacuum, as you might expect if you've looked at other robot vacs, has that nice little side brush, as well as a brush roll. This little vacuum uses LiDAR-guided precision home mapping, which I really enjoy. It means that your vacuum isn't taking pictures of you throughout the day, and it gives you an efficient, thorough clean. It's pretty fast, it's great at mapping out a home quickly, and it is pretty good at localizing itself. So if you put your vacuum down and you go, oh, I just need you to clean the living room today, it can just go clean the living room. The self-emptying base is bagless. If you look in this box, that's the canister. And I know that it's a really little thing, but those little costs add up. And as the cost of living is increasing, all of those tiny little things make a big difference. So if you're replacing the bag in your self-emptying vac like every 30, 60 days, even if it's just like 12 bucks every time, that's over $100 a year. So I love that this is bagless. I also really enjoy how easy it is to turn on. You can even use voice activation. And that little thing that you saw just previously where I was holding my 2 fingers down, that is all the time it took to set up the Shark Clean app and get my robot vac hooked up to my Wi-Fi. It was super, super easy. In the app, you can set schedules, give your robot a name, reset your notification volume, or switch your languages. It's just a really handy do-it-all app that contains a map of your home and everything that you're going to need to get the most out of this vacuum. I also noticed that the Matrix is really good at edges. You can kind of see it doing sort of spins around my furniture here. It's just really great at not just following an edge, but sort of circling around the legs of everything, so you get like every last crumb with that little side brush. Right now, the Shark Matrix is just going over my big living room rug, which is probably the hardest thing that it cleans in my home, but it's definitely not the thing that it cleans the most often. What I really enjoy about using the Shark Clean app is that it can tell you sort of an estimate of how long your cleaning session is going to take. So if I ask my vacuum to just clean this huge rug in my living room, it'll say, estimated clean time, 20 minutes. And I find that it's typically done within the 20 minutes. It'll probably finish like 5 minutes early for me. It doesn't really seem to underestimate. Similarly, if I'm, setting up a bigger clean, if I'm setting a scheduled clean or something like that for the whole home, it'll estimate, runtime 50 minutes. And then I can kind of plan my day around it. So if I need to have quiet time at a certain time, I know which cleans I can do and which cleans I can't. Shark is really excelling right now at including multiple thick filter layers to trap a lot of dust, dirt, and allergens, and it's also doing a really good job of minimizing noise. These are both things that I see in the Shark line in general right now, and which I'm enjoying in the Matrix. One of the cleans that I do all the time is my bathroom because my hair collects everywhere. And this is a clean that I'll do like every single day before bed. So it's nice that it's super quiet and I know when it's going to be done. For more on the Shark Matrix, make sure to check out my full review at the Best Buy blog. And to learn more about the product, you can have a little look on the Best Buy website where this is available. As always, thank you so much for watching.